right, well, it's time to get it started. It is Wednesday, about 3:30 in the afternoon. I just stopped, got my cheat code, once a day cheat code. Anyway, as y'all saw in yesterday's video, started taking some X rides. Now today's a little different, but one of the things that I want to try to do today is, because it is Wednesday, I got the podcast tonight. So what I'm going to try to do is stay in my area, stay around where I live, so that I don't have to struggle to go 20 miles to get back towards house so I can get in the studio and we can do the podcast. So that's what we're going to go with. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to see how many rides we can get in, because now that it's summertime and it's slow, the amount of rides I do matters also, right? That's going to matter also, because now we got to try to hit the 200 ride. Here you go. No, you don't. Here you go, EV bonus. They used to give us $1. Now they say, nah, bitch, you got to go out and work 200 rides and then we'll give you the $1. But the other side to that is, remember, Sergio and them proved we was only getting about 80 cents on that $1, right? But now if you do the 200 rides, and I'm not saying it's right or fair, it is what it is. If you don't like it, you don't have to drive. But 200 rides, I'm going to see $210. So I'm going to get that full $1. It works for them because they get their bullshit rides out of us. It kind of works for us because they're paying us back with our own money. How else you want me to say it? Anyway, I'm going to fire this sucker up. Yes, sir. App is on. And y'all know how we do. Let's see what we can get done. If it wasn't so damn funny, I'd cry. Holy shit. First 2 hours of the day, took 5 trips, made $28.10. All short little rides. Oh, look, in drive. Some dummy still got the stickers on the car. Anyway, 5 trips, $28, and you should have seen the trips I turned down. Who the hell? $3? $3.14? Like, Jesus Christ. I don't know, bro. Anyway, good thing we're doing this for science, because, you know, it looks like the money's going to be tough. You're going to have to, they really, really got the X platform brutally cheap. And this is why guys that, like me, who have driven Premier and Black and Lux and you know, XL, this is why drivers don't want to drop down all the way. This is why there aren't as many X drivers on the platform as they used to be. But some kind of way, Uber keeps pushing that envelope, man. Like, who does a $3 ride? Like, that's craziness. Anyway, I shut X off for right now because I got to go use the restroom. I got to go take a piss. And so, you know, there's no lack of Uber X requests. There's just lack of respect for the amount that these rides are paying out. And let me tell you something. It's not like the mileage is changing or the time is changing. One ride will pay you $5-6 to go 3 miles, pick up a mile away. And then another ride, same thing. Mile away, 3 miles, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, $3 and change. There's no true reason or rhyme to how they offer the rates to us. It just doesn't exist. I think it's a constant probe by their algo to see how cheap will you drive for. So that's on us, because if we accept the real cheap rides without a plan, then we get what we accept. Anyway, I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be back. Woo, brutally brutal. Let's see. I wanted to come out and try to grab these rides as best I could. And I think I took like 5 rides. Man, I had to turn off X. They was just sending me Fucking $3 rides, $3 rides, $3 rides. It's like the algo knows, man. The algo knows. They smell fresh blood in the water, and if you don't put a stop to it, they're gonna come at you with everything they got. Now, I understand cherry picking. I got people in my ear trying to tell me about the cherry picking and be selective, this, that, and the other. There's a couple of things I'm trying to do here. Trust me when I tell you, I know what I'm doing out here. I've been in this game a long time. There's just that acclimation process. The getting used to it, figuring it out, feeling out the situation. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's fucking brutal. It's brutal. Anyway, I'm in 7 trips for $43. Right? That's today's day. Just horrible. How many hours was I out here for that? 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. Yo, Dara, that's like, $15 an hour, bro. What the fuck? Anyway, listen, I'm charging up now. Once I'm done charging up, I'm going to head home, get in the office, get in the studio, and we'll be on live for the Rideshare Garage podcast. So I'll let y'all know when I get there.
Pretty good today. Lyft started giving me rides right away. I got about 3 of them in. Uber is I'm still out of Uber. Let's see what happens. My editing right now with my
Nobody cares about your editing. Just edit the damn video, shut the hell up, and go ant mode. Love you, buddy.